In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Forecast Oscillator in TradingView Pro. Before we dive in, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you've opened a chart for any asset you want to analyze. This could be a stock, a forex pair, crypto, or an index. Having the chart open is important because we're going to be adding the Forecast Oscillator directly onto it so you can start using it right away. Once your chart is on the screen, look towards the top of the TradingView interface for the Indicators button. It's usually located above the chart area, near the time interval settings and other tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the main Indicators and Strategies window, which is where TradingView keeps all its built-in tools, community scripts, and your favorites. Inside this window, you'll see different tabs and sections, but the fastest way to find what you're looking for is by using the search box at the top. Click directly into that search box so you can type. This is where you'll enter the name of the tool you want to add. Now, in the search box, start typing Forecast Oscillator. As you type, TradingView will filter the list below in real time. You should see the Forecast Oscillator appear in the results, usually under the built-in Indicators section or wherever it's categorized in your version. When you see it listed, simply click on it once. TradingView will immediately apply it to your chart. After you click it, look at the bottom or middle of your chart and you'll notice a new panel appear. That's your Forecast Oscillator. By default, it will use its standard settings, which are fine when you're just getting started. You can hover over the indicator's name on the left side of that panel, then click the settings icon if you want to adjust things like length, colors, or style to better match your charting layout. If you find the Forecast Oscillator helpful and you want to use more tools like this, check out the affiliate link in the description. To upgrade or get access to TradingView Pro, using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it unlocks additional features like more indicators per chart, more alerts, and an overall smoother trading experience. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added the Forecast Oscillator to your TradingView Pro chart, and you're ready to start incorporating it into your analysis.